Quote, the decision to reach out to the NYPD.
Guys, they broke glass at Hamilton Hall to overtake it and turn it into Hind Hall, which is why we had to send in the multi-million-dollar Gestapo to break every fucking window and every door inside of Hamilton Hall. Do you understand? And also violently arrest hundreds of students. Do you get why that narrative is so fucking stupid? Do you understand why that's fucking dumb as hell?
Was in response to the actions of the protesters, not the cause they are championing. We have made it clear that the life...
Oh, this tweet perfectly captures the moment. Yeah. Photo 1, NYPD lineup in dark navy shirts and light khaki pants before storming a building at Columbia tonight. Photo number 2, neo-Nazis in West Virginia like 3 days ago wearing dark navy shirts and light khaki pants. Yep. With the Confederate flags and everything. Yes, I know Dr. Phil is currently on campus, okay? It might look like it's the same photo, but it's actually it's hard to spot the differences between the two photos because it is the same photo, but it actually is a different photo, just so you know. Counter protesters continue fighting in front of police as the police line up about 100 feet away. Yeah, the cops finally do show up, right? And what do they do when they show up? They're like, yeah, let's get them to just, you know, fight a little bit longer. Check this out. The woman labeled as the wife of a terrorist is the mother of a Vice and NPR journalist. This is so disgusting and racist, CNN. They're talking about my 63-year-old mother who lost over 200 members of her family in Gaza. She visited the encampment for 20 minutes and ate some hummus. Sources: wife of an indicted terrorist was on Columbia's campus. Yeah, except Lama Al-Arian, I don't know if you realize this, but like your mom wears a hijab. You know, that's enough. She should have condemned the hummus, is what I think is the expectation, right? Instead of eating it. Oh. This is CNN, by the way, and not Fox News. You might be thinking, like, where is this coming from? This is some fucking unrestricted Islamophobia out of control. And from a media that is desperately trying to manufacture consent to violently destroy the student protesters and squash free speech on campuses. It's not from Fox, it's from CNN. Okay? Counter-protesters continue to fight pro-Palestinian demonstrators in full view of the police about 500 feet away. They arrived 27 minutes ago and have not intervened. Counter protesters at UCLA. This guy's crazy. Continue to fight pro-Palestinian demonstrations in full force. I saw this video. Who arrived 30 minutes ago but have yet intervened. There have been dozens of minor injuries tonight, mostly pepper spray and melee wounds. That's sick, man. That's sick. That absolutely is a fucking... That person should never be able to fight ever again. That person is a trained fighter, and he should never be able to fight ever again. His face is fucking literally out in the open. Probably from that same fucking, probably friends with the same dudes that were there a couple days ago that were screaming the N-word at the pro-Palestinian protesters. Counter protesters at UCLA are attacking the encampment in bursts in view of the police tearing down the fence and punching and throwing things each time. It has now been 40 minutes since the police has arrived. That's the high kick guy, by the way. Oops, hats off. Now we know how fucking bald you are, bitch. It says you stand no chance to the old lady. I have been here watching this for 2 hours like this. Wait, he posted it himself? Wait, there ain't no way he posted it himself. Tom Bibian is in this video. The moment we rushed the terrorist encampment last night at UCLA to take it apart. Wait. Bro, why are these guys... Hey, look at that. Orthodox Jews for Palestine. Also, we love you, Hassan Abi. Jewish Hassan Abi heads at the encampment at GW, George Washington University. That's awesome. I love seeing that. You love to see it, folks. Dude, this arrogance will lead to their demise, okay? Listen, it doesn't feel like it. It doesn't feel like things will get better. It's always darkest before the dawn, okay? I'm telling you right now, their arrogance will lead to their demise. Yeah, everything, law tip, everything that these counter protesters are doing are undoubtedly criminal acts in the state of California. Cops doing nothing is telling.